In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add net 45 terms to QBO invoices. By the end, you'll have a clear, reusable payment term that automatically sets invoice due dates to 45 days after the invoice date, saving you time and keeping your billing consistent. First, open QuickBooks Online and sign in. From your main dashboard, look to the top right for the gear icon, which is your settings hub. Click it to open the menu. In that menu, choose All Lists. This is where QuickBooks keeps master records for things like products, custom fields, and the terms we're about to create. Inside All Lists, select Terms. This page shows every payment term currently available in your company, such as due on receipt or net 30. To add your new one, click New. A form will open so you can define how the term should behave. Give the term a clear name like net 45 so it's easy for you and your team to recognize later. Next, choose the option that sets the due date based on a fixed number of days. In the Days field, enter 45. That tells QuickBooks to calculate the due date exactly 45 days from the invoice date. If there's an optional description or note field, you can add a short internal note like Standard 45-day payment window for clarity. When everything looks right, click Save. That's it, you've created the term. Going forward, whenever you create an invoice, you'll be able to select Net 45 from the Terms dropdown. QuickBooks will automatically update the due date based on the invoice date you choose, so you don't need to count days or adjust anything manually. A few quick tips to make this work smoothly. If you invoice with different timelines for different customers, keep Net 45 as an option rather than the default so you can pick the right term each time. If most of your invoices are net 45, consider making it the default term from the terms list to speed up your workflow. If you use invoice reminders or late fee rules, make sure they align with a 45-day schedule so customers aren't nudged too early. Also, note that new terms affect invoices you create after the term is saved. Previously sent invoices won't change. If you don't see the Terms option, double-check that you're in the correct company and that your user role has permission to edit lists. Interfaces can vary slightly, but the path through the Settings gear, All Lists, Terms, and New stays consistent. And that's how to add net 45 terms in QuickBooks Online. Save the term once, apply it whenever you invoice, and let QuickBooks handle the due dates automatically.